Another reason to try it out is because you have a service offering that is different than other people in your market. You have a service that you want to stand out. And that's really what these ads are for. They are for local services. So instead of just marketing yourself as dentist, you will want to have, whitening and veneers and root canals, and you can dial in on different services. So if there's a patient looking for something specific, you come up. The reason this is valuable is, one, it is different than the map. The map's advertising or local search engine optimization is showing you for a dentist geographically located wherever the patient is looking, whereas this is showing you for something specific, a specific service offering type search. So really valuable. It doesn't have to be anything groundbreaking, but it can be. You can market sleep apnea. I don't want to say Botox. We're not allowed to say the word in our advertising. And so there's certain restrictions on certain types of ads, but our team is very well trained in this and certified in all areas of Google advertising and social media marketing, and can help you know what you can and can't say in this space to keep your ads live and functional.